Hello and welcome to Crispberry Reviews once again. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube videos using your phone. Yes, you don't need any kind of expensive cameras and accessories to make your YouTube videos. You just can make your YouTube videos using your phone, and I'm going to also show you some of the accessories which you can get at a very cheap and affordable price which you can use to make your videos. And I'm also going to give you some tips which you need to follow during your video making. So let's go. Number one is I always prepare for my videos. Like I make a note of all the important points on a notepad so that I don't miss out anything important that I should have spoken on my video. 2. I prefer making my videos during daytime between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. because this is the time when you get natural sunlight, and I don't use any kind of artificial lights. I love sunlight, and that helps me get my videos very clear and good. Number 3, I always sit facing my window so that the light falls on my face and gives me bright and clear videos. So if you are not facing the light, this is what it looks like. Let me show you. Your videos will look dark like this. So always sit facing the light. Whether you're using artificial light or natural light, whatever, make sure you're facing the light. Number 4, it's always better to turn off your fan and AC when you make videos because this helps you avoid noise in your videos. In some of my videos, I don't turn off my fan because it feels really hot, so I just keep it on, and that's why you hear some kind of noise in some of my videos. Number 5, it's always better to use a collar mic because it catches your voice properly and gives you a clear video. So let me show you my collar mic. This is my collar mic, and it has this metal clip here. You can actually remove it like this. It's detachable, and then you can just press it into it and just clip it onto your dress. So this is a plug and use collar mic, so you don't have any kind of installation or anything like that. Just plug it into your phone and use it. If you wish to buy this mic, please check the description box below. I have mentioned the link. You can use the link to purchase the mic. Now let me show you the other accessories that I use to make my videos. So let's go. Sometimes I make my videos using my selfie stick. So I just place my selfie stick like this. We need good height, right? So I just put some books on top, and then I just place it like this, and that's it, and we're ready to go. So I always use my front camera so that you can actually see what you look like and your expressions and things like that. Sometimes I use my tripod. So this is my tripod which I use to make my videos. A tripod is very useful, especially because it helps you avoid getting shaky videos, because now I'm holding my phone in my hand, and so you can see like it shakes a bit, right? So you can avoid this by using a tripod. The problem with selfie stick is sometimes it tends to fall off. Like I place it on a book, and sometimes like if I accidentally touch it, like it tends to fall off. So a tripod is always best in making videos. So let me show you a small demo on this tripod. So this is a tripod, and you can extend the length of this tripod up to 50 inches. So all you need to do is, you can see the clips here, right? You just have to push it up, and then you can extend it. Then you have to press it down. So all the 3 sides you have these clips. up to 50 inches you can extend the height. So this is what it looks like as a whole when it is extended up to 50 inches. So I'll show you the adjustments. So this is a mobile holder. You can just place your mobile like this. And then if you want to tilt it, you just have to, like this. You can turn this knob and you can tilt it like this according to your wish. And then you have this adjustment is for this thing here. This is the adjustment. So when you turn it, you can just move this, like this, whatever you want to. There is another adjustment. You can actually lift it like this. That adjustment is behind here. So you have to just tighten it after you have adjusted. So this is now the complete height of the tripod. So this is the complete height of the tripod with all legs, everything extended. So this is a very lightweight and a very good tripod. I'm leaving the link below in the description box where you can purchase this tripod. It is not a very expensive one. It's really affordable for everyone. So if you're making YouTube videos, it is a must-have for everyone. So hope you found this video helpful. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos on your phone without any expensive softwares. Yes, just your phone you can use to edit your videos. So subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. Press the bell button so that you don't miss out any videos. So thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye.